press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello my dear students, today I am going to start with the new chapter number 6, changes around us. Before going to the chapter, let us learn some key learning points here. See, these are the key learning points, in which first one is changes takes place all around us. See, changes is nothing but the transformation of one thing to the another thing. We call it as a change. See, as I told, the changes takes place all around us. When we look our surrounding or when we look ourselves, we see a number of changes which are going to take place in the surrounding. And these changes is very important for the survival on this earth. Life without these changes can't exist. See, these changes will be takes place continuously in the nature. And these changes is the law of the nature. Changes is the law of nature, and it is very important for the life. Without the changes, life can't exist in this universe. Changes is very important. It is the law of the nature, and see, these changes which are going to take place continuously in the surrounding. For example, see, all the objects in our surrounding changes continuously, and it is very important. Some of the common changes includes day and night. See, the common changes which includes the alternation of day as well as the night. See, this is the common change which we continuously see throughout our life. See, next some of the examples of the changes which are going to take place in the surrounding or the nature are: first one is change in the weather. Change in weather. This is one of the change which we seen in our surrounding. Change in children. Burning of paper, it is also a change. And the next one is change in plants. See, there are some common changes which we seen in our surrounding. These are the first one is change in the weather. See, nothing but the season. Season wise or month wise, the season will be changed. For example, summer season will be there, winter, rainy, and the autumn season. The month wise, the changes will be seen in our surrounding. And see, this is the change. And the change in the children, nothing but the growth as well as the development. See, for example, baby is a very small it is there. And when baby start growing up, there is a growth and the development will be changes which we seen in the baby. And this is how the change in the children. Next one is burning of the paper. See, burning of the paper is nothing but the by means of humans only, the paper will burn. If you light up the paper, then it will start burning, and later ash is obtained, and this ash we can't make it into original paper. See, this is how the changes will be appear in our surrounding. Next one is change in the plants. Change in the plants is nothing but growth as well as the development. Here also, see, germination of seed, which one you studied in fifth standard about the germination of seed, how the germination will be takes place and how the plants will grow. See, germination of seed, in that the seeds will be put into the soil. Afterwards, the warmth and the sunlight and the suitable condition is available for the seed, it will start sprouting and later germination will be proceeding. And see, germination, after that plants will be grown and later the plants will, after the plant will grown and it will converted into the tree. See, this is how germination will be takes place, and the different types of fruits as well as the flowers is also appear in the germination. See, this is all about the changes which we seen in our surrounding. That is, changes in the weather, change in the children, change, burning of the paper is also a change, and the change in the plants, nothing but the growth as well as the development. Germination will be takes place, and this one we've seen in our nature. This is all about the examples of, some examples of the changes. See, as I told you, change is the law of the nature, and this is very important for existence of the life. Without change we can't survive or we can't exist in this life. See, changes is a natural phenomenon, and many changes will be taking place in a continuously in the nature, and these are the some examples of the changes which we seen in our surrounding. Next we shall move on to the next point of key learning points. See, second point is changes has taken place if there is a change in the color, size, shape, hardness and the position. See, internal structure also. We observe that the changes has taken place if there is a change in the color. See, if there is a change in the color, we can say that the changes will be happen. For example, mango. If green mango is there, we say that it is a raw mango, and if the color will be changed, we can say that it is a ripened mango. Nothing but the changes will be takes place. See, this is how the color and the size also, size, shape, hardness and the position later we will discuss. Only I will give you one example of the color. See, this is how the we can say that the mango, raw mango and the ripened mango. See, after some times the raw mango will converted into the ripened mango. See, we can say that by seeing the color of a thing, we can say that the changes will be takes place. And see, this is the how the changes which we seen in our surrounding. Changes has takes place in there if there is a change in the color, size, shape, hardness and the position. Only when we can say that change is takes place in a particular substance. Next, third point is changes can be of various types. There are lot of changes will be takes place, and later we will discuss about one by one. There is irreversible changes there, reversible changes there, and so many changes will be there, and these changes are of various types, and the substance expands on heating. For example, expands means nothing but the ubbodu in Kannada. See, if you roll up the chapati and put into the pan and light up the flame, then the chapati will expands on heating. See, this is one example of the substance expands on heating. See, this is all about the key learning point which is related to the chapter changes around us. See, one by one I will tell you. Changes takes place all around us. See, it is the first point, changes takes place all around us. We see number of changes which are going to take place in the surrounding. For example, sprouting of seeds also there, spoiling of the food, these are all the changes, and burning of the paper, change in the weather, and children will be grow. These are all some examples of the changes which we seen in our surrounding. Next point is changes has takes place if there is a change in the color, size, shape, hardness and the position. See here, by knowing the color, by seeing or by knowing the color, size, shape, hardness and the position, we can say that the substance will be changed. If the color will be not changed, then we can't say that it is a changed. And this is how, by knowing the change of the color, size, shape, hardness and the position, we can say that the particular substance will be changed. See, next one is changes can be of various types. There are different types of changes will be there, and in this class we will discuss about the different types of changes also. And next one is substance expands on heating. When a particular substance, if we heat up, then the substance will become the expand, nothing but the ubbodu. See, this is how the substance will be expand on heating. This is all about the key learning point which is related to the chapter. See, as I told you, changes happen around us in our daily life. See, the changes happen around ourselves has a cause, and this cause brings about the size, shape, hardness and the color, which brings about these changes. And we knowing or by seeing these changes, we can say that the particular substance will be changed. See, changes brings about the substance, changes brings about the brings change in brings about the substance, change in size, shape, hardness, position. See, as I told you, changes is taking place in our surrounding. Why it is important? See, changes is brings about the substance, change in the size, shape, hardness and the position. See, these changes will make up the different or the varieties of substance which are taking place in our surrounding. For example, if seeds will sprout it, then it will germinate to form a new plant, and later it will form a new tree. See, this is how changes is very important. And also season wise, the weather will be changes, like summer season, winter season, autumn season and the rainy season. These are all the particular seasons which we seen in our nature, and these changes will be very much important. It is a law of the nature. Without the change, life can't exist in this earth. See, we see number of changes in our surrounding. See, next we shall move on to the changes are of two types. One is the natural change, which is brought about by the nature, and the man-made change. These changes will, by means of the human, only these man-made change will be happen. See, I will write here. Changes are of two types. One is natural and another one is man-made. See, there are changes will be of two types. One is the natural change which is brought about by the nature. See, the changes which brought about by the nature, we call it as a natural change, and the man-made change by means of human beings, by means of man or the human beings. See, these changes will be happen, and this is how the changes will be categorized into two types. One is the natural change and another one is the man-made change. See, natural change which brought about by the nature, we call it as a natural change, and man-made change by means of man or the human only, these changes will be happen. For example, see here in natural change, sprouting of the seeds is the natural change, or the germination of seed and the growing of plants, growth of the children, and these are all the examples of a natural change which is brought about by the nature only. We can't make this change. And see, in the man-made change by means of human only. For example, burning of paper. See, burning of paper, it is not automatically burned by means of human only. If we light up the paper, then it will start burning, and later ash is obtained. See, this is how man-made change will be takes place in the nature. See, these are two types. One is the natural and the another one is the man-made change. See, as I told you, natural change is brought about by the nature as well as the man-made change by means of human only. These changes will be takes place in the nature. See here in man-made change, burning of the paper is the example of a man-made change. If we burn the paper, then it starts burning and later ash is obtained. See, this is how burning of paper is an example of a man-made change. And the natural change, growth of a plant, growth of a children, growth of a human being is also a natural one, which we can't make this change. Only in nature only change will be takes place. And see, this is all about the changes. In these two types of changes only, there are different changes will be takes place in the nature. And next one is, there are, as I told you, there is a various types of changes takes place in the nature. Say, the third point, what I said, changes can be of various types. Already I have told you about the two changes. One is the natural change as well as the man-made change. There are some, beside these changes, there are some many more changes will be there which we observe in our surrounding. In which first one is a reversible change. Change can be reversed. Reversed, and the irreversible change will be there. A reversible, as the name only indicates, reversible nothing but the changes which can be re-back to the original substance. This is called as a reversible change. And the irreversible change, see, in the reversible change, example is the See, I will write here. In the reversible change, example is ice. When we heat the ice, it will convert it into another state, nothing but the water it will form. And this water, when we heat, this water will convert it into water vapor in the form of a steam. See, this is one of the example of a reversible change. See here, ice is gets converted into water when we heat the ice, and later water, when we boil the water, it will convert it into water vapor. See, this is the reversible change. See, when we as this arrow indicates the reversible change, and see like that, water, when we water vapor, when we cool by means of the condensation, as I told in the previous class about the condensation process. Condensation process is nothing but the process of converting the water vapor into the water. We call it as a condensation process. See here, water vapor can be condensed by means of condensation. It will convert it into water, and this water, if we freeze it, then it will convert it into ice. See, these reversible change are those change which can be regain the original substance. As I told you, ice we re back to the original one, and this ice can be reversed and get back to the original one. And one more example is there, burning of the candle. See, burning of the candle, it will melt, and if we put it to the thread into the candle, then we again re back to the original candle. See, like that, this is the example of a reversible change. The best example is the ice is converted into water, and then water is converted into water vapor, and this water vapor is again converted into water by means of the process known as condensation, where the water vapor is converted into water, vapor is converted into water. On the cooling effect only it will converted. And see, then water is freezes. If the water is freezes, then it will convert it into ice. This is how reversible change is taking place in our surrounding. See, this is all about the reversible change. And as I told you, there is one more change is there, and that one is a irreversible change. See, these two changes we will discuss in the later section also. See, irreversible changes is nothing but the which can't re-back to the original substance, and this is called the irreversible change. Here the properties are also changed. For example, irreversible change example is the burning of paper. See, irreversible change and the man-made change both have the example. See, burning of paper, here irreversible change also, and it is a man-made change also. See, burning of paper, we can't get back to the original substance, that is the paper. See, if a paper is burnt by lighting up the paper, then it starts burning. Later ash is obtained. This ash we can't make into original paper. See, this is how the burning of paper is an example of a irreversible change. See, next we shall move on to the another process, nothing but the another change. See, some changes are beneficial, whereas the some changes will be harmful to us. See, beneficial changes beneficial changes are those changes which are useful to us. For example, ripening of mango. See, ripening of mango is one of the example of a beneficial change. See, it is very important and which helps to eat the food items, and this is the beneficial change. Example is the ripening of the mango. If the mango is ripened, it is very easy or very tasty to eat, and this is what beneficial change. And one more change is there, that one is a harmful change. See, example for the harmful change is the spoiling of the food items. See, spoiling of the food items is very dangerous for the health, and it is very harmful to health also. See, this is how the changes will be of different types, in which first one is the natural change, and the another one is the man-made change, or the by means of human only the change will be occur, and this change will we call it as a man-made change. And the natural change is brought about by the nature, we call it as a natural change. And next one is beneficial change. Beneficial is nothing but the useful one. These changes will be very useful for the human beings and the other creature. For example, ripening of the mango is one of the beneficial change which we seen in our surrounding. And the harmful change, an example is the spoiling of the food. Spoiling of the food is very dangerous for the health, and if we take such food, our health will become the ill, and this is how beneficial change and the harmful change will be there. See, next we shall move on to the some more importance of the changes. See, everything in the universe is changes according to the passage of the time. See, many more substance or the things which we seen in our surrounding will changes according to the passage of the time, or the time which it will form. And see, these changes will sometimes we will visible, and sometimes we can't visible these changes. For example, the rock. See, rock looks like a same, and it will never change at all. It looks like after thousands of years, this rock might be occur in the or the form in the soil. See here, a rock which we looks like it looks like a same, it never change at all, it look like, and these after thousands of years this rock will might become the a part of a soil. A part of a soil. See, as I told you, everything in the universe will be changes according to the passage of the time. See, according to the passage of time, these changes will be takes place in our surrounding, in which first some of them are the changes will be visible, some of them are non-visible to us. As I told you, some substance will changes according to the time which were visible. Example is a rock. See, a rock which we look, it is a same as it is, and see it shows that it can't never change it at all, but in them also there is a changes will be takes place. After thousands of years the rock will might become a part of a soil. See, this is how the rock is the example of a change. And one more change is there. Sun. We see that the sun is a never change at all, but according to the scientist, sun is a huge ball of the fire or different types of gases will be present. See, sun is the huge ball of the fire or the gases, different types of gases are present in the sun, and this sun, the sun is surrounded by the different types of gases, and surface of the sun undergoes changes continuously, and this is how we can say that sun, here in sun also there is a changes is takes place in continuously. Surface undergo see, sun is the example of a changes. See, we say that sometimes we say that sun is not change at all, but according to the scientists, sun is the huge ball of a fire or different types of gases are present in the sun, and the surface of the sun undergoes changes continuously, and this is how we can say that changes also takes place in the sun. And next we shall move on to the stars. See, stars is a small twinkling object which we seen appear on the sky. Small twinkling object see, star is also a small twinkling object which appear on the sky. See, due to the twinkling object, we are far from the star. It is a very much bigger as the sun, and many more large as the sun. See, this is the large object, and this is the small twinkling object. We see that we are far from the star, so that's why we say that it is a small and twinkling object. But here also the outer surface of the stars will undergo changes, and see, this is how we can say that rock, sun as well as the star is also having the changes which continuously takes place in them. On the surface of these sun as well as the star, there is a continuous process or the changes will be takes place. As I told you, the rock is also changes takes place in them. After thousands of years, we see that the rock will be formed, and there is a changes will be appear, and it is later it will become a part of a soil, and this is how changes will be takes place in our surrounding. See, this is all about the key learning points and also the different types of changes. Once again I will tell you, the changes is the law of the nature which is very important for the life. Without the changes we can't exist in our life. See, changes is a part of a life and it is continuously takes place in our surrounding. Changes are of different types. Examples of the changes are burning of the paper, changes in the weather and the growth of the plant. Some more examples will be there. These are all the examples of the changes, and changes is categorized into two types. One is the natural change, which is brought about by the nature, and the man-made change, which is by means of the human or the man only. These changes will be happen, and this is how the changes will categorized into two types. And beside these changes, there are some many more changes will be there, whereas the reversible change and the irreversible change. Reversible change, which we regain the original substance, and this one we call it as a reversible change. For example, ice, melting of the ice on heating, it will start, ice is melt on heating and it will forms the water, and if we warm the water, and it will convert it into the water vapor in the form of a steam, and later water vapor is converted into water by means of a condensation process. Here in condensation process, water vapor is get converted into water. We call it as a condensation process, as we discussed in the previous lesson. See, next water is get converted into ice by means of freezing. See, if by means of freezing we get the ice. See, this is how the reversible changes takes place. And the irreversible change is, example is the burning of the paper. See, burning of the paper is one of the example of a change, irreversible change, where we can't get back to the original substance, and here property is also different. For example, if you light up the paper and it will starts burning, later it will form the ash, and if we take the ash and try to make the paper, we can't make it into paper. See, this is one of the irreversible change. And next one is, some changes are beneficial and some changes are harmful to us. Beneficial changes are those changes which is useful for human life or the some other living organisms. Example is the ripening of the fruit. Not only human beings eat, many more animals and the birds also eat the ripened fruit. See, this is the beneficial change, and harmful change is nothing but the very dangerous if we ate them or the if it happen. Example, natural disaster will be there, and this is the one of the example of the harmful change. And spoiling of the food is also a harmful change. If we take them, our health will become ill, and this is how harmful change will be takes place. See, this is all about the introduction and some more many points in the lesson changes. See, thank you.